Who says you can't turn heads with a tiny apartment? Today, we're giving you the tools to craft an eye-catching interior design. Yep, you heard right, on a shoestring budget. So grab your paint swatches and get ready to make some magic happen. Let's dive right in. Tip number 1, a little white lie. Now here's a simple trick with a huge impact. Don't have the cash for a complete renovation? No sweat. Give your existing furniture a facelift with a DIY makeover. This is where your creativity shines. Transform old pieces into new treasures with a fresh coat of paint. It's like magic, except you're waving the paintbrush, not a wand. In fact, if you don't want to splurge on new furniture, consider painting your entire apartment. But hey, it's a secret between us. You don't have to tell anyone if you don't want to. Tip number 2, mirror. Mirror on the wall. Who's got the best small space hacks of them all? Well, that's a close call, but this one might take the crown. Mirrors. They're like a penny for your thoughts, only better because they help make your apartment look twice as fancy. And here's the extra kicker. They make your space feel bigger, brighter, and better. Just imagine having 2 living rooms instead of 1. Sounds pretty neat, right? Tip number 3, shelf indulgence. Want to give your apartment some style points without emptying your wallet? Then listen up. Shelves are your secret weapon. Whether you're rocking a studio, 1-bedroom, or even a shoebox apartment, shelves can work some serious magic. Plus, they're super easy to install and won't cost you an arm and a leg. And let's face it, who needs an excuse to show off their favorite knickknacks? It's also a great place to display your prized possessions or just fill it up with your favorite books and trinkets. Tip number 4, lighten up. Okay. So your apartment might be lacking in natural light, or maybe you just want to amp up the ambiance. Well, there's no need to break the bank with fancy light fixtures. Instead, why not try swapping out your existing light bulbs for something a little more fun? You can find a variety of funky shapes and sizes at your local home goods store. Or if you're feeling crafty, try making your own paper lanterns. It's like a DIY party. Just remember to keep safety in mind when experimenting with your light game. We don't want any unexpected fireworks. Tip number 5, plant Parenthood. Okay, so you want to add some greenery to your apartment, but you're not exactly ready to commit to real plant Parenthood. No worries. There's a budget-friendly solution for you. Faux plants. Not only are they low maintenance, but they're also a fraction of the cost. Plus, you can find some seriously realistic-looking plants that will fool your friends into thinking you actually have a green thumb. And the best part? You don't have to worry about watering them or keeping them alive. Just wipe off the leaves every once in a while to keep them looking fresh. Tip number 6, throw everything at it. Okay. I know it sounds like a lot, but it's actually super simple. We're talking about throws, pillows, blankets, anything that adds a pop of color or texture to your space. But wait, I hear you asking, how do I avoid looking like a hoarder of housewares? Well, fear not, my friend. The secret is to stick to a neutral color palette and mix and match textures. That way, you'll have a cohesive look that's both stylish and budget-friendly. Plus, it's a great way to add some visual interest to your apartment without committing to anything permanent. Tip number 7, do double duty. Now, let's talk about furniture. Because let's face it, it's probably the most expensive part of decorating your apartment. But fear not, my thrifty friends. Because we have a secret weapon for saving money without sacrificing style. Multi-purpose furniture. That's right. We're talking about pieces that do double duty like a sofa bed or a coffee table with hidden storage. Not only does this save you money, but it also maximizes your space. After all, who needs a guest room when you can have a guest sofa, and who needs clutter when you have clever storage solutions? Tip number 8, zone out. All right, so your apartment might be on the smaller side, but that doesn't mean you can't create different zones for different purposes. It's like having multiple apartments in one, except you don't have to deal with any pesky landlords or noisy neighbors. Just use rugs, plants, or even furniture to divide your space and create different vibes for different activities. For example, you can have a chill-out zone with a comfy couch and a TV, a work zone with a standing desk and a laptop, and a dining zone with a table and chairs. It's like having your own private getaway without leaving your apartment. Tip number 9, artwork on a dime. Okay, so you want to decorate your walls, but you're not trying to skip the next 3 meals to afford some artwork. We get it. Decorating shouldn't break the bank, and luckily it doesn't have to. Instead of shelling out big bucks for an original artwork, try these budget-friendly alternatives. Head to your local thrift store and pick up some vintage frames for a few dollars each. Then print out some of your favorite photos or artwork and put them in the frames. Voila! You've got yourself some unique artwork that won't break the bank. Or if you're feeling crafty, why not try making your own artwork? You can paint, draw, or even collage your own masterpieces. And let's be real. Who cares if it's not perfect? It's your apartment. You can hang whatever you want. Tip number 10, the clutter purge. Okay, so we all know that clutter makes our space feel cramped and chaotic, but it can also make it look downright messy. That's why it's time for a purge. Get rid of anything you don't need or use regularly. It's like Marie Kondo, but with a tighter deadline. And here's the best part. You can do it for free. Donate, sell, or toss anything that doesn't spark joy or serve a purpose. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. And there you have it, folks. 10 ways to turn your tiny apartment into a stylish sanctuary without going broke. From painting an accent wall to decluttering your space, these tips are sure to make your apartment look and feel like $1,000,000. So, grab your paintbrush, say goodbye to clutter, and get ready to unleash your inner interior designer. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more small space inspo. And don't forget to drop a comment below with any other budget decorating tips you swear by. Until next time, happy decorating.